Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Thursday, July the 21st. I'm Andrew Gagan. We'll check the markets from overnight. Wall Street closing higher with the tech-heavy Nasdaq up almost 2% on news of positive earnings reports, outweighing wary investor sentiment and fears of a higher than expected rate hike from the Fed. The S&P and Dow also rising. Well, stock specifically, Tesla shares rose ahead of its earnings report after the bell. It beat estimates for earnings despite a slight miss on revenue for the quarter, revenue coming in just shy of the $17 billion estimate. Profits were also padded by a significant sell down in the company's crypto assets. It converted 75% of its Bitcoin holdings into cash during the quarter. Elsewhere, Baker Hughes, one of the world's largest oilfield services companies, tumbled after reporting a bigger second quarter loss by a $365 million charge from its Russian operations and supply chain inflation. Meanwhile, Netflix shares jumped after the company predicted it would return to customer growth during the third quarter, despite reporting it lost almost 1 million subscribers in the past quarter. The forecast echoing through the tech sector, with other high growth stocks extending gains following the forecast from the streaming service provider. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft and Meta all rising. Well, British inflation is at its highest rate in 40 years, fueled by surging petrol prices and food. Consumer price inflation rising 9.4% in June, well, that's to 9.4%, up from May's 9.1%. The higher than expected number has bolstered bets that the Bank of England will lift its key lending rate 50 basis points next month, which would be the largest hike since 1995. The European Central Bank will consider such a move when it meets tonight. Meanwhile, the EU has told member states to cut gas usage by 15% until next March, as Russian President Vladimir Putin cuts supply, with the threat of halting flows altogether. And in the US, rising interest rates are putting a brake on existing home sales, falling 5.4% in June, the fifth straight month of declines to its lowest level in 2 years. US Treasury yields rose on concerns that energy disruptions in Europe could push the continent into recession. US 10-year yields rose to 3.03% and the 2 is at 3.25%. Major currencies were mostly weaker against the US dollar. The Aussie dollar falling back and currently sitting just above 69 US cents. Well, the loss of momentum on Wall Street looks set to carry through to the local share market today. ASX futures currently off around 0.5%. Global oil prices have eased. Brent crude down 0.4% to $106 a barrel after data showed demand for fuel has fallen during America's peak summer driving season. The iron ore futures price rose close to 1% as Brazilian producer Vale lowered its production guidance. Base metal prices were mostly higher, nickel up almost 3%. Gold futures price fell 0.6% to $1,700 an ounce. And positive sentiment continues to push Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto complex with it. And coming out later today, NAB's quarterly business confidence report drops later this morning. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.